on this one, we have to be able to know what we should be able to do on our Binance, how much you should put in, how much you should get out, and what stages that you must be on so that you won't get your account disqualified and shut down forever without getting your money out, right? So in these few steps, I just want to show you what exactly happens with your account, right? So there is a basic, there's intermediate, and there's advanced, right? So in these few stuff, you have to actually understand that you just put on basic one, you just have to put in your personal information. You just when you just sign in, you just have to put in some few personal information when you get onto that, which this one means, right? This means that you are able to buy crypto and fiat deposit of up to $300 for lifetime. You see those? So now you're limited on this one. You can buy and sell, but only up to $300, right? When it comes to withdrawals on that one as well, it's all up to 300. And when it comes to crypto deposit, it only there is no limit on this one. You can just deposit on any crypto, whatever, no limit there. And then crypto withdrawals, you can only withdraw 2 BTC per day, right? Which is, you probably will not have any problem with that if you don't have that much as of yet though. So that's the limit on the basic one, right? So this one is just that when you're still starting on and you still don't have much, you're still learning the platform, so you don't have to worry about much. You're probably going to just put in some $100 on it, and then you do a lot, and then you transfer, and then you can see how much you can make, and that's all. And then there comes this one here. It's called intermediate, right? 80% users choice. So you see this one, almost everyone who's using Binance, they actually do this one. So what do you get on this one? You get all basic requirements, right? Government ID, facial verification, review time 10 days. So you're going to be reviewed for about 10 days to get onto this one, right? So you're just going to hit here and then you get verified. So let's see what you actually get with this one, right? So you buy a crypto and fiat deposit of up to 50k daily, right? And 500k per month, right? And then there's fiat withdrawal, so you can withdraw about 50k daily, 500k monthly. So you have to keep track of this stuff, because if you get over this stuff, you can be banned by Binance. You have to be able to understand the stuff and keep track of how much you get it out, how much you put in, so that you don't get your account banned, because you could even lose your account. But as you know, guys, I am no financial advisor on all of this stuff. You don't have to do this, but you can do it if you actually want to make some much money. And this, I'm just sharing what I actually do on here, right? So there is no limit on to a crypto deposit. You can deposit any amount you want. And crypto withdrawals, you can withdraw about 100 BTC daily. So and then you can actually start on using some P2P and LPD, OTC. You can even have a Binance card, right? So, and then you get on to the advanced one, right? The advanced one, all intermediate requirements, which they're going to tell you, proof of address, review of about 10 days, and then you get there. And then with this one, you get to have about 200k daily, 2 million monthly. Fiat withdrawals, 200k daily, 2 million monthly. Crypto deposit, no limit. Crypto withdrawals, 100 BTC, and then you get these. So I'm sure you actually get the picture, right? Because these are very important. Because once you pass these and you are not on to either on basic, on intermediate, or advanced, you are going to get banned. So you have to be able to see that. They will notify you if they see that you're actually spending more than usual, if you're lucky. But if you're not, you will just see your account banned. So thanks guys for watching, and that would be the end of this video. Make sure you subscribe, and then I will see you on the next one. And make sure you hit that like button if you actually got something out of this video, and then make sure you turn on that notification bell so that you can see the next video that I'm going to drop. So this one is going to be a ciao ciao. See you on the next one.